Good morning, students. Welcome to 7th Standard Social Science, Civics, 2nd Unit, Media and Democracy. Today's lesson about media and democracy. Ancient days, traditionally, India has many folk forms of communicating with people in rural areas. So, they mainly communicated in the form of storytelling, which portrayed the religious characters, and their communication was in the form of music as well as dance, speech, storytelling with comic interludes. It has great effect in communicating the messages straight into the hearts of the people. So, nowadays, due to the advancement in technology, the modern methods to address small and medium gatherings like seminars, dramas, public meetings, and workshops, etc. And also, the print media has been referred as People's University because they perform the role of public informer. Which is considered as People's University? Yes, print media. So the print media has been referred to as People's University because they perform the role of public informer. So the print media means the newspapers, the magazines. These are referred as People's University because they are educating the peoples about current affairs. Let us discuss about media and its role. What is media? Media is the integral part of our daily life. Media is the integral part of our daily life. Every individual person is a medium of expression. An individual interacts through the media to reach other individuals and institutions. Media is generally the agency for interpersonal communication. Media includes every broadcasting and narrowcasting medium. Every individual person has own unique view about the society. They can express through media, either broadcast media or narrowcast media. So, media is the plural of the word medium. Medium means passage. Such a medium or media allows to communicate messages, thoughts, ideas, views, etc. Now, classification of media. Classification of media is narrowcast media, broadcast media, print media, web media, social media. Narrowcast media means addressing the people directly. Here, some examples for narrowcast media are cable television, direct mail, seminar, etc. And then broadcast media. For example, film, television, radio. And then print media. For example, newspapers, magazines, journals, books, even posters, reports, etc. These are comes under print media. And then web media, Google website and blogs. And then last one, social media. Nowadays, everyone have this Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram. This is called social media. So, these are the classification of media. And then, communication can be classified into two. They are personal communication and mass communication. Personal communication means these are meant for personal use like letters, telephone, cell phone, email, and fax. These are some examples for personal media. And then mass media or mass communication. Mass means a large number of people. So these are used for communicating with the masses. Newspapers, radio, TV, collectively they are termed as media. And then, do you know the printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg in 1453. And then, the importance of the media. Media is very powerful entity on the earth. It is a mirror which shows various social, political, and economic activities around us. People depend on the media for various needs, including entertainment and information. Media keeps the people awakened, and it has become one of the major instruments of social change. Media not only bring out the day-to-day happenings in the world, but also exposes the strength and weakness of the government. It also advertises the various products produced by the private companies. These are the importance of the media. And then media and public opinion. The media plays a prominent role in the formation of public opinion. It is a powerful tool in present days. It has become a part of the everyday life of the people. They play an important role in shaping a person's understanding and perception. Perception means the ability to notice about the events occurred in our daily lives. The newspaper reflects the response of the people to the government policies. Thus, print media and electronic media helps the people to express their opinion on important social issues. And then ethics and responsibility. The fundamental objective of media are to serve the people with news, views, comments, and information on matters of public interest in a fair, accurate, unbiased. Unbiased means impartial and decent manner and language. An awakened and free media is very much essential for the function of the government. All India Radio, AIR, officially known as Akashvani since 1956, is the radio broadcaster of the Government of India, launched in 1936. It is a voice from the sky. The first government radio, All India Radio, is the first government radio, that is All India Radio. It is officially known as Akashvani. And then role of media in democracy. Media is the backbone of democracy. Which is the backbone of democracy? Yes, media. In our democratic society, mass media is a driving force of public opinion. Media strengthens the democratic value. It enlightens and empowers the people. It can educate the voters and ensures that government is transparent and accountable. Media carry every report of action of administration of the government. Based on the information, the citizen can learn about the functioning of the government, and day-to-day happenings taking place around them. This is the role of media in democracy. And also a democracy without media is like vehicle without wheel. How the vehicle without wheel? Like that a democracy without media. Yes, and then local media. Usually the media reports the news which of national and global importance, whereas local media addresses public locality. Okay children, we are come to an end of this lesson. Now conclusion. The media in the contemporary world of information and technology plays a very significant role in educating masses. Contemporary means present day, and the media should always keep in mind that it should not be publish anything which corrupts the public mind and disturbs social peace. For healthy society, sharing of views, free flow of information, free communication and expression plays a crucial role. Media, being powerful and important instruments of expression, have got lot to contribute. So mass media have made the world smaller and closer. Okay students, I hope you are clear with this lesson. Shall we recall now? Yes. A medium is a means or way of communication. Media is the plural of medium. And then modern media such as TV, radio, newspaper and the internet reach millions of people all over the world. So the common term used for them is mass media. And changing technology helps media to reach more people. And then media has brought the world closer to us. It brings the news and happenings from across the world to the public in fair and realistic way. In a democracy, the media plays a very important role in providing news. And then last, it is working out to be an effective tool to create public opinion and issues by improving awareness among the masses. Okay students, now it's a time for evaluation. The first question, the fourth pillar of democracy is media. And then backbone of democracy is media. Which is the backbone of democracy? Media. Can you say any two example for mass communication? Yes, newspapers, radio, TV, etc. Is very good. And next, which is considered as People's University? Is good. Print media is considered as People's University. And the last question, printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg. Printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg. Okay students, thank you.